Hi guys, Gerald here. So, what if I told you that I can actually make money dancing? Yes, I said it. You can make money just dancing, guys, right? And I'm going to be showing you guys these guys that made $14,725 just dancing. Now, if you know somebody that can dance or you can dance yourself, right? It doesn't matter how well or how bad you can actually start making money online right now just moving your body, right? A lot of you love dancing. A lot of you like, staying in the house and shaking your butt and doing videos of yourself. You can actually make money doing these things, guys. And that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in a little while. So stay with me. And if you're here to subscribe to my channel, I want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button so that whenever I drop awesome videos like this, centered around making money online, I'm going to send you a notification instantly, letting you know that another video has just dropped so you can jump right into it, have the first timers advantage, and make money online, guys. So let's jump right into it. Let me show you guys how to make money dancing. So right now we're on my screen, right? And I'm going to go to this website I love so much, Fiverr.com. I'm going to show you guys something interesting now. Fiverr was where it happened for me, in the beginning, where I started out actually learning how to make money online and all that, where I made my first money, like serious money online, was on Fiverr, right? Before I ventured into other things, and I still do Fiverr today. As you can see, there's a balance right here. And if you check my orders, you see there's an order in queue for me right now, to show that I'm still making money on Fiverr. When I switch to selling, I'm going to see that I have an order in queue right here for $45, right? So this is a job that I'm here to complete. So I'm still doing Fiverr. I'm still making money on Fiverr, even though I'm doing other things, because I understand the fact that Fiverr is amazing, right? So let me show you these guys that dance on Fiverr and how much that they can make and how you can actually key into this thing right now and start making money dancing. So let's search for dancing, right? Enter. So okay, it's right here. So you see all these guys, what they do on Fiverr is they dance, right? This guy, I will make a dance video on any song you want, right? And their basic is $15. These guys, I will dance on your song for your music video, promotional video, right? So artists contact them and tell them to dance, right? And this dance can actually be incorporated into the music video or shared on social media just to promote a song, right? So these guys, I had a chat with them recently, and they actually were the ones that I'm talking about. And let me show you guys how much that I actually have made on Fiverr, dancing, right? Dancing, just dancing. And I'm going to be playing okay, let me just play their video for you guys see the kind of dance that they do. And you can actually take time. Maybe I'll just put a few of these guys, their link is on this video. The first number one top radio. So that you guys can actually watch these videos and understand the kind of dance that these guys does. You can actually do anything, right? You look at dance, there are people that are ready to pay you for it, right? So let's what you gonna do with that dessert? So you see, this is their promo video, right? Then if you look at all this one, these are things that they've actually done for people, right? Look at this one, uncompleted building, not a very nice environment, and they're dancing and they were actually paid for it. This was just 2 days ago, right? 2 days ago, they got paid for dancing. So let me just play this. I'm in the space coupe, and I'm running to the money in the space. Oh, you on game? Don't hate when they ain't you. So you see, these guys, they are break dancing, the electric shock and all that. You can do any kind of dance, and you're going to get paid for it. So these guys, the way I do my maths normally, their basic is $35. That's the least that they take to dance for you. You can actually start your own dancing gig right now on Fiverr and charge less, right? A lot of persons are going to come to you, and if you check their standard, it's $75. And their premium is $285, man. They will dance for 3 minutes for you, right? And for 75, they will dance for just 1 minute. 1 minute, and they're making $75. Now let's do the maths with their standard. $75 multiplied by 195. How much is that going to give us? 75 multiplied by 195 will give us okay, Google is going to give us that right now, 14,725, which was what I told you guys right here. $14,725. That's what these guys have made at least dancing on Fiverr.com, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys, just in case you are new on Fiverr, I'm going to leave a link in show box below. If you don't have an account on Fiverr and you know how to dance, or you have somebody that can dance. Now, let me give you a secret, just in case you don't know it. You have somebody that can dance, maybe in your church or wherever your group, somebody that can dance, and the person doesn't know Fiverr. Now, you can actually do business with this person. Get the person to do a dance video, create a Fiverr account, upload this, set up a gig, right, with the person dancing. And when people give you a job to dance for them, you go to this guy and give him half or even less than half of that money, right? Because this is something that he does for fun. He doesn't know that you can actually get paid doing it. Now, that's an advantage for you. You that have this information, right? Because the difference between the rich and the poor is actually information, guys. Yes, that's exactly what it is. It's information, what you know and what you don't know. So that's something that you can do right now. So what you need to do is okay, I'm just going to use the first link jumbo below and go to fiverr.com if you don't have an account already and create an account. So I'm just going to give you a run through of how to do that before we get to. Please don't skip, right? If you skip, you're going to get confused. I'm going to be talking about other things at the end of this video that you're going to be doing. And we're going to be looking at different kind of dance that you can actually do on Fiverr and actually do make money, right? So you come to fiverr.com and click on join now, right? But if you go direct to fiverr.com, you're going to be losing the bonus I'm going to be giving you, right? So use the first link of this video below and get started on Fiverr and create a Fiverr account. You put in your email address. Let's say my email address is this, for instance. I'm just going to put a dot here and click on continue, right? You choose your username, magic dancer 705, dancer 199, like then your password, then click on join now and click on join now. That's all you need to do. Click on join now and that's it. So once you do that, what's going to happen is that you're going to set up your account and create a gig. And for the avoidance of doubt, I also have a video that I'm going to put in about this video below, because I've done a lot of videos on Fiverr, and I have a video on how you can create your account just in case you don't know how to do that. So you just need to come here and search, come to YouTube and search create Fiverr account, right? Once you search for this is my video right here, right? I'm going to leave the link below. It's going to show you how to create your account, right? Then create Fiverr gig, how to set up your gig. I'm just going to create Fiverr gig, right? Create Fiverr gig. This is my video right here. Wow, this is my video right here, right? So I'm going to leave the link in the box below also, so that you can use it to create your account. Let's take a look at some other kind of dances that you can actually do, so that it's not limited to this kind of electric shock kind of dance thing. So you can basically do anything that you can do, right? Let's look at this black lady, this African lady, and see the kind of dance she does. And I'll do special for the studio dance. This is not a video, so I wouldn't want to look at this right now. Look at this one also. Let's take a look at this African dancer. So there are a whole lot that you can actually do just dancing and getting paid. I know it's ridiculous, but it is actually very doable, and that is what people are doing, and they're making a killing on Fiverr.com. So I don't see why you cannot take this advantage and start making money online. Now we have an epidemic at hand, right? A lot of persons are staying at home as as what we've been told to actually defeat the coronavirus, right? This is something that you can start doing in your house right now. So before coronavirus is over, you have actually made a significant amount of money, right? And you have to also build up your Fiverr account. So let's look at this kind of dance that this lady does. And let's see. Come and put your name, but you wanna put your name on it. See? So she has two orders in queue right now. And guys, let me show you guys something real quick. This gig is not saturated. There's an opportunity for you to make a killing right here, right now. Because when you search for this gig dancing, you see that there is 930 results, as opposed to some other gigs that people do sell on Fiverr. Let's search for something like logo design right now, and you guys will see what I'm talking about. There'll be thousands, 88,000 services available. So if you are setting up a gig to do logo on Fiverr, that means that you are competing against 88,363 gigs that are already available on Fiverr right now, right? As opposed to when you are doing the dancing thing, you just have less than 1,000 persons to compete with, right? So I think it's amazing. I think it's an amazing opportunity for you to make a killing on Fiverr, guys. So look at this African guy. Let's see what he does. So it doesn't even matter the environment.
Hey everybody, I'm your boy KY Uganda Africa Company.
Okay, he's from Uganda and he's making a killing on Fiverr.
That's why I'm here.
Right? So let me see what he's doing here. Okay, I'm not a dancer, but I'm sure I can do what he's doing, right? So I don't see why you cannot, guys. I don't see why you cannot, guys. So this is how you can actually dance and get paid online, right? You can actually make money online dancing and paying and getting money for it, right? I always tell people that there's something for everybody to do on Fiverr, and this is one of those such things that you can do on Fiverr right now and start making a killing right here. Dance and get paid, and you will make money online, and you earn money even in the midst of this pandemic where you are at home, most likely, doing the right thing and staying safe. And guys, I will leave you with this, and until I see you in my next video, keep winning, guys, and stay safe.